I've been poking sober now for 2 hours. It's getting to be a lot of polka. Everybody happy?
Ready? You see this crowd, Tyler? What was your initial takes on your first Great American Beer Fest?
This is like a tidal wave of people, guys. Everyone came in here, they were doing the tasting, and it got really crazy. Jimmy said it was gonna be off the chain. It's been off the chain. Congregate in groups, they drink, they talk. You gotta talk them up, gotta figure out what their needs are. Find it helps you with a little bit of a chemical assist. Follow my lead there. Cheers!
If you like this content that Tyler works so hard to do, and I work a little less hard to do, please like and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate it.